This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the environment. Make sure you're signed in with admin privileges and quit Microsoft Teams from the system tray so it won't interfere. Once done, open Windows settings via Start or press Win+I. This is necessary because notifications and startup controls live in settings and require elevated access to change system-wide behavior. Make sure Teams is not running and that you have the correct account. That prevents settings from reverting when the app restarts and allows the next steps to take effect immediately. Next, disable Teams from starting automatically and suppress its notifications. Go to Settings, Apps, Startup, and switch off Microsoft Teams so it won't launch at sign-in. This prevents pop-ups when you log on. Then open Settings, System, Notifications, and locate Microsoft Teams to toggle notifications off, which stops banner alerts and sounds. Finally, open the Teams app if needed, and under Settings, right arrow General uncheck Auto Start Application, and on Close, keep the app running. These three places together make sure pop-ups don't return. Finish by restarting your PC so startup and notification changes fully apply. After reboot, check the system tray to confirm Teams is not active and that pop-ups are gone. If you still see pop-ups, go to Settings right arrow Privacy and Background Apps and disable background access for Microsoft Teams. This blocks hidden processes that trigger alerts. As a last resort, update or reinstall Teams to clear corrupted settings. If issues persist, sign out of all accounts and sign back in to force a fresh configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.